is an experienced analyst with a background in the global automotive industry, I find MG Motors' decision to consider establishing its first European manufacturing plant in Spain as a strategic response to the EU's escalating tariffs on Chinese EV imports. The company, a subsidiary of SAIC Motor Corp, is under immense pressure to secure a production base within the EU to avoid these costly duties and maintain competitiveness in the market. MG Motor, a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer owned by SAIC Motor Corporation, is reportedly considering Galicia, Spain, as a location for its initial European production facility. This move aims for the main project to help the company sidestep the significant tariffs that the European Union has imposed on Chinese-made EVs. As a researcher, I'm looking into MG Motors' plans to make a final decision by September 30th, 2027, with the intention of initiating production at their new facility during the last quarter of that year. This manufacturing site will primarily focus on supplying the European market and function as a significant production base for various electric models under the MG brand. Additionally, I've discovered that MG is assessing potential alternative locations in Hungary and the Czech Republic, where labor costs are more favorable for their operations. The major driving force behind MG's growth in Europe is the need to avoid the rising taxes on Chinese electric vehicles imported into the EU. These taxes, which initially stood at 10%, have since increased to 37.6% for SAIC, MG's parent company. In October 2023, the European Commission launched an investigation into subsidies. MG strongly disagrees with the EU's ruling, viewing it as a breach of fair business practices and free trade regulations. Nevertheless, the corporation remains dedicated to the European market, pledging to weather any potential sales drops and continue pursuing its goals. And as MG carries on growing its collection of electric vehicles, it recently introduced a new addition, the MG Cyber GTS electric sports car. Unveiled at the Goodwood Festival of Speed 2024, this two-door, four-seat hardtop sports car now joins the ranks with the previously debuted MG Cyberster from last November. The Cyberster, which is built on the MG Cybercube Foundation, offers an economical choice for electric sports car enthusiasts in China, with prices starting at RMB 319,800, equivalent to 41,000 euros. However, in Europe, the cost begins at a significantly higher 65,000 euros. The high-end Cyberster model, featuring two electric motors capable of producing up to 400 kW, a peak torque of 725 Nm, enables it to go from 0 to 100 km per hour in an astonishingly quick 3.2 seconds.